Kid Poker, what's happening? How's it going, man? All in, full port. Yeah, today was quite the day. Quite the day. To be expected, CPI. Again. Oh, honest take. You got funded with who? Who you trading with? It's awesome, man. Congrats. 66 days. Dude, that's something. That's awesome, though. 66 days to keep an account, Kid Poker. I've never done that. Ever. Top step 50K? Awesome, man. Congrats, man. That's an awesome account to have. Yeah, just keep doing what you're doing, honest take, you know. Keep trading your edge. What I would do if I was you, if it was me, I would go right here. I would set a personal daily loss limit and do liquidate and block. Keep yourself from going on tilt. And if you hit that daily loss, excuse me, guys. If I hit that daily loss limit, then yeah, I'd be done for the day. I should do the same. I actually do. I have that on my Buell and Ox accounts here. $600 daily loss limit. But yeah, congrats, man. Oh, nice, yeah. So I actually been thinking about that honest take, especially with these slow markets. I just haven't been trading them that well, but so I've been thinking about different strats and things like that and what to do. That. Yeah, exactly. Honest take. Definitely super jumpy. Especially during the open of the Asian market. You have that wicked spread and can smoke you in a hurry. So supposedly there was some sort of news that was supposed to break on the prop firm streets, but I'm not really seeing anything. I was up 200 in my personal account, got smoked at 350. Yeah, it was. So I kept thinking like we're gonna take out this data wick high, but you know we didn't have to do it today, and I got caught up in some of it trying to buy some pullbacks, and so some of my accounts I had some casualties today. We ended up getting a payout again on Tradeify on the 50K account. The 150K account is no longer, unfortunately.
The markets are open.
Markets are open, guys. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, rest in peace, that account. But 2 payouts 2 days in a row with that company. Not totally upset, but you know, it just sucks because I traded that account for like 12 days. And that's the thing about the larger accounts is just that when you have to trade for 10 days or more, it can be kind of tough. Because you always have that one day that you can get smoked on. So yeah, we came above the data wick high. Anyone have yesterday's high? Right at yesterday's high as well, which is here. So this is kind of interesting. Hey, Legend of Alexander, how's it going? So the max payouts, so what I do is I go for daily payouts. So yeah, so on a 50K account, anything over the $2,000 buffer, you can take a payout on. Which is pretty sweet. They have been super slow about it though. I requested this morning and we still haven't got it. Anna, what's happening? You just short, Kid Poker? Just have a stop and place, Kid Poker. But I'm kind of liking the short too. Yeah, how's it going, Anna? Hope you had a good day. So I'm just waiting for Tradeify to update here. We should get another payout. I think he got a payout on those Legend of Alexander. I think he got a payout and then they were gonna take him live, but yeah, then he blew the accounts. So he got a payout on him. So anything over, so what I don't know what he was trading, 150K accounts. So they would have to be over the let me look at the buffers for the 150K. I don't trade the 150K, so I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm still not sure what he was talking about. Legend of Alexander. It's just all I know is that anything over 2,000, like my account is 50,000, 52,000 right now. So anything that I get over $2,000, I just take a daily withdrawal on. So like yesterday we made 415, and then I took a withdrawal on it for 415 minus the 20%. So we are pushing down here. Kind of like the short. See if we can get into this gap here. Pretty tight stop though. Oh, phone's going crazy. Yeah, the last move of the day was brutal, Anna. Oh, you lost the top step. I lost top step too today. I lost an XFA. Brand new. I just opened it up. I actually tweeted about it. That sucks though. Yeah, CPI can get you. I mean, it got me. I had some casualties. But yeah, we ended up securing a payout with Tradeify tonight, or this morning, and we got a payout yesterday, and we're got a daily payout yesterday, so not too bad. But we did have some casualties in the funded accounts. I lost my XFA and my 150K Apex account. Hey Sherry, how's it going? I hope you're profitable as well. I am tightening up my take profits for the overnights. Yesterday, I reviewed my trades last night. That's what's nice about recording. So I reviewed them, and so many times we went 6 to 8 points in my favor, and then I ended up not getting take profits. So hopefully I can get a little continuation down before. It looks like it wants to push down. I'm looking to get into this gap here at 445. It's such a big move up. We took out the data wick here, and I'm just looking for some retracement. That's all. No, take profit trader really doesn't have many rules. Legend. The only rule is that you can't trade news on your pro account, things like that. But on evaluations, you pretty much can do whatever you want. You just have to stay within the 50% consistency. So you have to trade them for 5 days, but you can say a 50K account. You can make you need $3,000. You can make 1,500 on one day, 1,500 on the next, and then flip for 3 days. And still pass the evaluation. But no, with 150K, you're good. They don't really have any rules like that. They're pretty lax. As far as I know. I've never heard of anyone really getting denied for anything like that. Thanks, Anna. Yeah, it was a wild day. I was definitely over trading. I was a little tired. I should have went to the gym when I said I was going to go to the gym. I actually just got back from the gym. But yeah, just that one more trade got me in trouble with my XFA that I just activated. But we did I did get a 150K combine and got it to the max, so 4,500. And so hopefully I can get that passed here in a day or two. With Top Step, I kind of like, because there's no consistency, I've been thinking about this a lot, and I kind of want more drawdown. So I'm going for 150K. So if we see if we can get a little push down here. I'm just kind of looking for 6 points here. But yeah, I hope everyone had a good day. I didn't even try to pass any accounts this morning on the news. I didn't even bother. And then I didn't even try to send any during the open like I usually do. So yeah, we're trading the turtle markets tonight. But yeah, we're gonna stream for a few hours and see what happens. One micro E mini be equal to 1 micro. So 10 micros equals 1 E mini. Is that what you're asking? No, you're good. No, I welcome questions, guys. Especially during these slow markets. But yeah, so yeah, 10 micros equals 1 E mini. Now the problem when you trade a bunch of micros like that, it's perfectly fine, except that your commissions can add up. Hey John, how's it going? Good evening, good evening. How was your day? Hope it was good. So I'm trying to use a 10-point stop loss. Just kind of hoping to trail it. 2-bar pullback. Do we just continue going higher? It's kind of interesting. Came right up to this. It was yesterday's high, I believe. That was this morning. Yesterday's high is up here. Yeah. So that was yesterday's high. Oh, well, you shouldn't have broke a rule anyway. It won't let you trade it, Legend. Like, Trade or whatever you're using should just lock you out. It'll only allow you to trade, you know. Right, John, yeah. It won't let you trade more contracts than what the account is set up for, so you're good. Was up good, yeah, and then fought the shorts, of course, yeah. Yeah, John. Yeah, it was a good day for us. Started out really good on stream. Had some really nice trades. Super nice. Of course, we were trading micros, but I had to size down when the market opened. It was just crazy. Yeah, exactly. Micros commissions do add up. Especially when you trade a personal account, same thing. Lassie, for a trader, hey, what's happening, Nate? How's it going? Good to see you guys in here, hanging out. Yeah, I know, Nate. Especially the data. Yeah, that data high wick. It waited till, well, technically the futures market closed at 5, but it took it right out, right. Yeah, barely took it out. So my thinking is we took out the wick. We're still below yesterday's high. Ideally, it would be nice to push up above yesterday's high and then look for a short setup to come back down into here. But we do have PPI tomorrow at 8:30, I believe. Yeah, so PPI and unemployment tomorrow at 8:30 for news event. The markets haven't been moving until later in the night. I don't know if you guys have noticed. Yeah, for sure, John. That's one thing for take profit traders. You want to make sure you have all positions closed before 5 Eastern. So don't mess around. Definitely a few minutes before, because that is a hard breach. It's one of the only props that actually has that as a hard breach. Thankfully, they got rid of the daily loss limit now, so there's no hard breach with that. Here we go, getting a little push down there. See if we can just take out the lows. Kind of doing what Fred was talking about, Coach Fred in the chat yesterday. He said, see money, take money, because it's kind of the way it was yesterday. We were just getting chopped up and just not taking our profits. And where I'm not the best at trading the slow markets, so I'm still getting used to it. But you're having a heart attack? No, you should be fine, man. Yeah, it should just lock you out. Do you use Tradeovate, Legend? Guys, the gym was so packed tonight. It was unbelievable. We have a bunch of snowstorms coming, so it was just like, I think people are just trying to get their workouts in. Usually I go earlier in the day. I usually go around noon, 1 o'clock. And there's no one in there, which is awesome. But today it was like you had to wait for every single machine, and it was ridiculous. I almost just walked out. Snowing where you're at, John? Where you at? Chicago, yeah. Yeah, we have usually the storms from Chicago come right to Maine, so I'm not surprised. I guess we got a bunch of storms coming, like back to back to back, so I'm not looking forward to that. But February is typically the snowiest month. Are we just gonna do what we did to me yesterday and just come down and give me like 4 points instead of 6? I think TPT is the best in my opinion if they allow guys to never have to do a test accounts after 6 months pro account. Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, I've reset accounts, Legend, for $650, and that's a lot of money, but I've made it back in the first day, and then get that daily payout. So it's almost worth it in a way, if you have confidence in your strategies, right? But for new traders, I definitely would not recommend doing that. But for $200, yeah, they would go broke, Legend. We need them around. Hey Bray, how's it going? Good to see you. Using Tradeovate, yeah. So they're not gonna allow you to trade more contracts than you're supposed to, so you're good. Yeah, for sure. Tradeovate's super easy. Corey, what's happening? Good to see you. Oh, really, John? Nice. Yeah, we definitely have the best lobster. John, during the summertime, John, like I go down to the coast, which is not that far from me. So I go on the coastline and I'll have lobsters right out of the lobster traps. Pretty much, they'll cook them right there, and I sit on the dock and BYOB, eat fresh lobster, sitting on the coast. It's like it's like heaven on earth, man. Yeah, no, it's awesome. Yeah, Corey, how'd you do today, man? A little wild markets, but it was good. So we're in a little short here. Just looking for 6 points. Trying to get nice little 120 point start. Doesn't want to give it to us. Gave us 4 points. Last night we were trying to go for like 10 points and it just wasn't working out. So I've tightened up my strategy a little bit for the overnights to scalp, and then yeah, so just look for 6 points. Still look to take 10 point stop loss, but I'm a little tired today, guys. So I apologize for not being able to speak. I'm like that anyway, but this market's got me crazy. And the Cape, yeah, honest take, yeah. Yeah, we got these little secret spots that the tourists don't even go to. And it's funny because I drive by all these touristy places on the way to my little secret spot where the locals go. And the lobster shacks and stuff are all just super packed with tourists. And I drive right by them and go to the little secret spot and there's like no one there. And it's awesome. You traded gold today? Probably smarter than trading the crazy NASDAQ. Nice movement on gold today, Corey. Definitely. Put in some nice trends. Yeah, I can't do that, Legend. Not right now. But yeah, no, definitely. I've watched some videos before. I can't remember who's the YouTuber that you were talking about, Legend? I was gonna look him up and then I forgot. Your buddy? Oh, really, Legend? So as a trader, I'd lived like a king. Lassie's long. It is holding up, Lassie. It doesn't want to push down. International Jasper. Yeah, that's right. Oh, I found him. Wow, he's got 55,000 subscribers. I'll give him a sub. I'll give him a sub on my alt account. I'll have to check out some of his stuff later. Oh, John goes to Manila stuff. That's awesome, John. Oh yeah, that's right. You said you traveled for business, so. Oh, super crowded. Yeah, I watched some of those. So some of those videos. Yeah. Who's the other? Joom. Joom. I think Joom, the trader, Joom. I think he lives in the Philippines. Maybe Thailand or the Philippines. I don't know which one. Hey Brian, how's it going? I'm gonna move the stop to break even. Just gonna widen out my take profit as well. I might actually flip on the inside bar. It's really tiny. But if we get stopped out here, then I might actually flip to a long. We'll see. But if we break down below this candle, I'm actually gonna look. All right, we're getting to that move now. Okay, this is good. Just broke below the inside bar, the first one here. Got our 6 points, but I'm actually gonna look for a little more. Hopefully we can get it. I'm actually gonna look for the full 10 now. So yeah, Brian, we just got another payout secured with Tradeify 50K. I'm actually, as soon as I'm out of this trade, I'm actually gonna request it. The 50K growth account, actually. Yeah, for sure. At Legend of Alexander, 80% cheaper. Yeah, with an infinity pool, things like something like that would cost you 6,000 here, probably or more. Condo, maybe 10,000, 15,000. I don't even know. Looking for a little more push down here. Stops at break even. Hopefully we didn't move the stop too quick. Maybe move the stop up just a little bit. Risk 50 bucks. I don't want to really get taken out of this. Oh, really? That's awesome. Yeah, that is amazing. It's pretty much eat out every day for cheaper than what you could buy groceries here for. Currently up 5 points here. Oh, congrats, Brian, on the payouts. Hopefully I don't regret looking for more. We got our 6 points. I probably should have been happy with it, but yeah, yeah, absolutely. Cost you $50 to take a family to McDonald's now. $60. It's ridiculous. There we go. There's a little push there. Got to take profit just above this start of the gap here on this 5-minute candle at 4:45. We ended up getting that gap. So starting to take it back now. Hopefully it doesn't turn up now that we're 50% of this candle. So $150K account. I don't know. I mean, with a 50K account, I've been getting $200, $300, $400 payments a day with a take profit trader. So, you know, $300-$400 a day, it really adds up. Hey Vince, how's it going? Good to see you. Hey Woodchip, what's happening? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys traded well today. We're trading the turtle markets. Been short in this trade for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 20 minutes. Smash the like button, Anna said. If you guys don't smash the like button, I'll send Anna after you guys. And thank you for whoever smashed the dislike button last night. I don't know what that does, but please don't smash the dislike unless you really don't. Just leave. Smash it. That's right. Smash it. Hit it 3 times. Hit the like button 3 times. Can we just get a little push down? We're just gonna do this again to me like I did last night. Tease me, tease me, tease me. Stay in profit, and then come back and then take out my stop. But I tell you guys, like a little bit later, like it's almost too late for me. We have been getting some pretty good movements. Just right around 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night. It's been taking a little bit for the slow markets to ramp up, but they have been pretty decent. Got gold starting to push down as well. Exactly, Brian. The best month I had trading was 19,000 net profit. A little over 19,000, and then the month before that I had 15,000 net profit. So I had 2 consecutive months that were pretty good. And that was recent. That was in October and maybe it was September, October, I think, last year. Really? See, this is what it did to me last night, guys. See money, take money. Coach Fred would be yelling at me right now. Gonna get stopped out. Stop is just above the wick, the VWAP. move it just a tad, just risking another $10. Yeah, probably Brian Roberts. Yeah, hopefully. Girl farts. What's happening? No, I traded in the morning. Girl farts too. I'm trading right now because no one else is really streaming, and so the Asian market open has been super good for the YouTube channel. People like to come in here and hang out and kind of talk about the day and unwind a bit, and if we see a few trades, we throw them on. So yeah, girl farts. So no, I trade in the morning, and no, this is what I do for a living. Hey, John Sharp, how's it going? I noticed last night I missed a lot of comments, so I apologize for that. Yeah, Vince, the patience for the Asia market has been a little tricky. Something I'm trying to get used to, something I will get better at. But we took back some of the gap here. Starting to feel like I should reverse my position. This was a very strong close, but we'll see. We'll hold our stop loss for now. See what happens. Yeah, thanks, Nate. Yeah, I'm off. You can't offend me, girl farts. I think it's kind of funny. But yeah, I haven't seen you in the chat, but thanks for the sub. Thanks for hanging out. Sorry if you guys are new subs. Sometimes Streamlabs doesn't let me know when you guys sub, so I really appreciate the subs. We are getting up there too in the subs. Can't complain. Oops, sorry, lost the music. Lost it again. 475 subs, guys. So we got stopped out. Once again, I was in profit for over 20 minutes. Was a little over 6 points. That's what I ended up changing this to. This little bracket was to 6 points. So I have a 24 tick take profit, 40 tick stop loss. And that's what we were looking for to scalp. And then I ended up moving it, looking for 10 points, and then it came back against us. So, once again, once again. Oh, cool, Josh. What's happening? Yeah, maybe, Legend. Yeah, maybe. Exactly, Anna, yeah. Oh, I appreciate that, Legend. I am very consistent on the Asian markets. Yes. Very consistent. Wood chip's long, by the way. Yeah, Josh, for sure, yeah. That's kind of what I'm doing. I was going to give myself like 6 months, see how it went. And if it, you know, Oh, nice, Josh. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta. Once we get some more subscribers, I have a room in my basement that I'm gonna build into a little studio. So, eventually. But for now, I'm just kind of using what I got. Push it up here. See if we can get a little pullback. Little pullback long. It'd be interesting if we go take out yesterday's highs. That would be interesting. I think you would see a little more volatility start to pump in if we did do that. See if we can get a little micro pullback here. Market is feeling a bit bullish now. Yeah, for sure, Josh. Legend, so I probably need like 2,000 more hours. It's a lot, but we'll get there. I mean, if I start consistently streaming like the Asia markets and things like that, we'll get there pretty quickly. And the more subs I get, and then people watching my videos, so it's like snowball effect right now. Yeah, I think we're over 1,000 something, and you need like 3,000 watched hours. So, but like as a trading YouTuber, you know, you're really looking for the, you know, affiliates, things like that. You know, that's how you make money. YouTube, not so much. YouTube pays so little. It's ridiculous. Well, someone didn't like the stream already tonight. They come in here, smash the dislike button, and then leave. Whatever. Let's see. So yeah, this is the analytics. So 476 subs. We're almost there to that 500, and then 1,026 watched hours. And yeah, so you need like 3,000 to get monetized. So we'll be there soon. But you can see the analytics. I mean, we're up almost 300% in 28 days. Watched hours is up 442%. And the views is up 168%. So it's pretty awesome. And they, I'll show you guys. This is why I do the Asia markets. If you look at the Asian markets, look, the top viewed, Asia market, Asia market, Asia market, power hour. That was when 0 day wasn't on. And then, yeah, so it's all Asia. The morning streams, which I do most of my trading, way down in here. So, but that's just because everyone else is on. I mean, I get it. It's cool. We'll build our own audience. We'll build our own community. That's what we're going to do. Keep grinding. Oh, thanks, John. I appreciate that. Yeah, we try to be transparent. I mean, I tell you right up front that I suck at Asian market. Whoa! Halo. There we go. Now we got something. I think your take profit hit would chip. So we get that spike above yesterday's high. Now hopefully we get some volatility here. It'd be nice. Yes, Josh, right. Well, if you got the big ones, then you're good. I just wish I had take profit trader. That's the main one I wish I had. Honest take, you have 65,000 subs? Bro, you're not... Wow. Is it the honest take? It is the honest take. Dude, congratulations on that, man. I'll sub to you. So you're a big time YouTuber, yeah, you're... I'll check out your stuff, I just subbed to you. Awesome, man. Yeah, Josh, for sure. It sucks being so limited right now, but... Hey, Legend, so I've been trading since 2021. It took me 3.5 years to get a payout. So, yeah. No prop firm horror stories, but I get some horror stories with a personal account. Yeah, I lost $30,000 twice trading 0-day options. Had to go back to work, real job, and it sucks. So that's why I preach, like, don't trade your own money until you get this down packed. It's tough. It's really tough. Sorry, I'm behind in the chat. It's called Streamlabs Legend. That's what I stream on. So yeah, we're above yesterday's high now, pushing higher. This is super interesting. Got a giant spike above. Do we go for a retest if we can get a little bit of pullback? I think so. I'm gonna try it if we can get it. Could get our face melted off, but we'll see. Glad you were broke when you found trading? Yeah, Josh, yeah, me too. I wish I was broke when I found trading. Yeah, for sure. I lost, who are you talking about? Honest Take? He's not a trader. No, he has his own, I don't know what he does. But he's got 66,000 followers, or subscribers. He was just in the chat earlier. Yeah, John, no, I'd never touch them again. QQQ options are just stupid. No, never again. I did make $85 on my personal account today, guys. A whopping 85 bucks, but it's better than no 85 bucks. Yeah, Josh, I'm just gonna pretty much stick with the prop firms until till the rules get so tight that you can't really trade with them. It's not worth it. But yeah, I just make a few trades on my personal account every now and then I'm gonna try to milk these prop firms. And even if you go on tilt with a prop firm and then you blow a bunch of accounts, like I lost 2 accounts today, and it was like I don't really feel that bad. I mean, I'm getting another Tradeify payout tonight, 1,500. We took $1,000 payout yesterday, so that's 2,500, and then we took $400 of daily payout, so it's $3,000, all with prop firms, just this week. So it's like, if I lose a $150 account, then I'm like, eh. I mean, it sucks, but you know, I try not to make it a habit. It's just, it is what it is. I got tilty during the when I should have went to the gym after the stream. I ended up trying to get that one more trade in. Ended up oversizing like crazy. I was really thinking we were going to take out this data wick here. And yeah, I ended up getting caught in one of these pullbacks here. And just oversized and just kept getting taken out. It was just really dumb. Wasn't too happy about it. Yeah, exactly, Josh. So it's always that one more trade. Yeah, it's like I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna go to the gym. Nope. What time did I go to the gym? 4:30 after the market was closed, when I should have been at the gym at noontime, 1 o'clock. We are just running, guys. It's just running without us. We are getting no pullback right now. We are just short squeezing everyone. Hey, Mystery, how's it going? Good to see you. But yeah, if you're just trying to get that one more trade in, just don't. It's usually feeding that addiction. Hey, Red Pill, Unplugged, how's it going? You went broke getting into trading? Yeah. Yeah, you definitely gotta have a little money to get into trading. Even with prop firms, I mean, you gotta be... It's like, don't quit your day job until you can start getting payouts and have at least a year's worth of expense. This is not financial advice, guys, by the way. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, I mean, for me, it's like, you know, I had over a year's worth of expenses ready to go. I have zero debt. My only debt comes from my credit card with prop firms and stuff. That's where my debt comes from. But you know, I have enough money where I could pay them off if I don't get any payouts. So John King, yeah. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, John. Oh yeah, was up 600 trading micros after the open today. Then I grind the rest of the day up 500. Then only 100 after commissions. Yeah. Yeah, with the volatility of CPI, definitely can catch us off guard. Tend to overtrade. I could feel it starting yesterday. I overtraded yesterday with my Take Profit Pro account and ended up just kind of thinking to myself, you know, kind of due for a tilt session. And I caught a bit of it today. We still have the My Funded Future funded accounts. We have the 3 Bielanox accounts. We have Tradeify funded accounts. What am I missing? Oh, Take Profit Pro. We still have the Take Profit Pro account funded, so we didn't like go and just nuke everything, which I've done. And I actually seen another streamer do live. I'm not gonna mention any names, but I think you guys probably know. Where they basically, and I've been that way, where you just say F it and you just start just pushing buttons on every account because you are revenge trading and trying to get back to, I don't know, just try to get satisfaction to get that one win, I guess. I don't know what it is. So looking for a little micro pullback here to shoot for a long. I don't really see a reason to go for a short right now. We were just mooning. Looks like we're going to try to take out this high here from 210. Hopefully we can get tagged in here. Let's just try it. Little 9 touch. Oops. Hey Zabak, how's it going? What's happening? I don't use just a DOM, but I use the DOM, but yeah, trying to read the order flow and stuff through the DOM is pretty difficult, in my opinion. I can, during a New York session, I can kind of get a feel for the candles and the movement of the market to scalp longs and shorts, just from kind of like probably some of you guys that traded on the floor or whatever, you know, like reading the tape or whatever they used to say. But you kind of get a feel for like the way the market is. That's why I have trouble trading on other platforms too, because I'm just staring at these charts for so long. You went in the credit card debt red pill to learn futures, yeah. Yeah, it can be tough. I've gotten in a little bit of debt too with credit cards a few years ago, and then had to do like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and gig work, that kind of stuff, to get caught back up. So yeah, definitely. And Methodical Man's done that as well. He talks about it. My Eureka moment legend was I actually sent Alpine a super chat today and actually thanked him again, because Alpine Trader, believe it or not, it sounds crazy, kind of flipped my brain into thinking like flipped my brain on how I think about prop firms. And because I would get a funded account with a prop firm and then get anxiety about taking a trade, you know, like it was real money, and that, you know, you would take little quick scalps and, you know, let your losers run because you were afraid to take the loss and all those mistakes. And the way he would talk about the prop firms is that your actual risk is what you paid for the prop firm account. And for some reason that just clicked with me. So we are in long, guys. We got tagged in here. Just going for the 6-point scalp. We're not gonna go for 10 points like we were trying to this last night. We got tagged in on the 9. It is top of the hour. Hopefully we don't get wrecked, but yeah. So anyways, yeah, that's legend. That was my kind of like green light moment. And believe it or not, once I started thinking that way, I immediately started getting payouts. It was the strangest thing. Hey, Hotshot, how's it going? Good to see you. Oh, I can see that, Hotshot, going into debt and losing your house for sure. Yeah, I'm fortunate where I don't have any mortgage. I own my own house. I built my own house myself. So yeah, I'm pretty fortunate that way. It was over 20 years in the making, so yeah. No, David Snyder, I don't use footprint. No, I pretty much just use what you see. I use the 5-minute chart here with just the VWAP and initial balance highs and lows during the New York session. And then on the 1-minute chart, I try to do this little EMA cross thing for scalps. So that's pretty much all I use. John, being on the floor, you could see the order flows. See Goldman had 3. Yeah, exactly, John. Right. Yeah, if you can read that stuff, it actually is pretty beneficial. During the, like I said, when it's slow, even like the turtle markets, like this, you can see those large orders. And during holiday tradings, when the U.S. market is closed, you can see those large orders. They stick right out. But yeah, definitely when you start seeing 3,000 big S&Ps. Yeah. Hey, J Money, what's happening? Good to see you, man. How you doing? You short now? Yeah, well, I would fade me too. J Money, I cannot buy a trade on this Asian market, the stream, so it's tradertainment. Tradertainment. So how'd you do today, J Money? Dang, Hotshot, you've been trading since you were 18. I wish I would have found trading when I was younger. Well, I mean, I found trading, but it was like stocks and swing trading and things like that. Investment stuff, you know, I was always interested in it, but I wish I would have found futures and things like that when I was younger. I've never even heard of futures until 2021. But yeah, that would be like we have. Well, yeah, mystery. Mystery's in the chat. Hot shot. He's a young guy. He's not even old enough to open up his own brokerage account, I don't think. So. Oh, hey, Tenderfoot. How's it going? Good to see you. So yeah, you got some a lot of experience, Hotshot. Good for you, man. Someday I'd like to be able to just trade my personal account like that. We do okay with the personal account, but it's not great. I'm down a little bit on the personal this year. We started the year red hot. In January, we were up 4,000 in the personal account. Within like a week and a half. And then I had one day where I went on tilt and lost like $5,000. So, and I just pretty much says, all right, I'm just gonna give the personal a break for a little bit. Trade my prop accounts. See if so I am going to request a payout right now, guys, from Tradeify. I just got to look to see what I can get for a max payout. Because this growth account, I believe, is over, so. So $1,500. So I'm gonna request $1,500 from this Tradeify account. I actually can show you the process. It's actually pretty simple. You just go to payout request on Tradeify. Go here. Click on the account. Put in the amount. 15,000. No, I wish. $1,500. Request payout. And then it just pops up there. Yesterday we got paid $1,000 from Tradeify. So, and you get your little certificate. So you can put fuel in the Lambo. So I can afford to put fuel in my Toyota Corolla, so we're good. We'll see how long that takes. It shouldn't take long. They're pretty fast. Get caught back in the chat. Hey, thanks, John King. Yeah, it was nice. Take Profit Trader, guys, has been super slow at paying out. Well, you guys are tearing up the chat. I really appreciate you guys hanging out. This is awesome. It's super hard to stream when no one's chatting, so this is awesome. Yeah. Hey, Sherry, how's it going? You're trading options with SPY? Yeah. Options got me in trouble. So futures is where it's at now. It's just so much easier to calculate. You've been trading since 1996, man. Got some OGs in the house. I love it. You started in 2000, Hot Shot, while I was still in high school. Sorry to make you feel old. Started at Forex, yeah. Like just NASDAQ 1500 when I started. Yeah, wow, Hot Shot. Yeah, that's crazy. 27 years old, Bray. Been trading for 6 years. That's awesome. Hey, Delt, thanks for the Delt 5. Thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. Sherry, so I currently use E-Trade because that's where all my other investments are. It's just more convenient for me. So that's why I use E-Trade. I don't recommend them for futures. I don't know what you use for a platform, but if you use Tradeovate or Ninja Trader, just use Tradeovate or Ninja for a broker. That's what I would do if it was me. I do have a brokerage account with Iron Beam as well for Quant Tower, but Red Pill. While I was signing the papers on my car, the market crashed, and I was a city away. The day I lost 6K and never been through a crash. This was like 3 years ago. Yeah, I wish my biggest loss was 6K. I'm very thankful for prop firms. Hey, Stargazer in the house. What's happening? Good to see you, Stargazer. Yeah, TPT's pretty slow lately. Yeah, Sabak. I requested this morning and I haven't heard a thing. So pretty hard to get the daily payout when you can't trade the account. So yeah, Stargazer, we're trading the turtle markets tonight. And once again, we were in some nice profits on our first trade, and it came back against us. So once again, my streak continues. We'll see if we can hold here. It's not looking good. Oh, Zabak, yeah, I hope not. That DLL is... Hey, Elena, what's happening? Oh, I lost a lot of money trading my personal account a couple years ago. Yeah, I lost $30,000 in one trade. Trading QQQ options, 0 days. And so I liked doing it so much that I did it again. So I lost $60,000 of my own money. I actually had to stop trading for a while and go back to work. So yeah, I'm on a mission to never do that again. Oh, that's terrible, red pill, man. Hey, Debt5, yeah, we're here. We're streaming. We're trading. We're trying to trade. Hasn't been working out too well. My morning stream went very well this morning. We ended up taking over 40 points in NASDAQ. So it was a good day on that. But this Asia markets, the turtle markets, is just... I'm not used to trading them that, but it's been really good for the channel. So I'll just be completely honest with you guys. And so hopefully everyone just understands. We could talk about markets, we talk about setups, talk about the prop firms, and just hang out and unwind, you know. But yeah, I appreciate you stopping in, Debt5. This looks like we got stopped out there. Totally used to that. Zero-day pine, that's right. I laughed so hard, John King, when zero day. I told him that story the first time I went on his stream. No, AK Wolf. I've never traded spreads on Iron Beam. I pretty much just trade just how I trade here on just futures. No, Stargazer, we haven't got paid from Take Profit Trader yet. I'll check again. I might have gotten the email while we're sitting here on stream, but nope. So look, still waiting. It says the request has been sent, but I'm still waiting. So currently the account's sitting at $52,415, and I requested this morning. Usually I request at night, like right on now, but so yeah, they've been awfully slow. I wouldn't really worry about them, but they are been slow. So I might look for a long here off the VWAP. The VWAP. Try again. So this is a valuation that we've been working on, guys. So the 1 minute strat, the 9 touch hasn't been working too good in the overnights. So probably gonna abandon that. It's been working pretty well during the New York session. So, but when there's lower liquidity, it just hasn't been working as well. So. Yeah, Zabak. So yeah, definitely lots of gossip coming out. I don't know. It's kind of been maddening. Hey, you're BM with me. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Haven't seen you in here. So for me personally, and just keep in mind, by the way, guys, not for financial advice. If I could start over as a trader, I would just work on my edge on a demo account, so like a paper account, right? So find your edge, get comfortable with the platform, get comfortable with the edge. Then I would get a cheap evaluation from one of the prop firms, like the cheapest one you can find. So like a Buell and Knox or an Apex. And then just work on that one evaluation and stick with your edge. And by having that cheap evaluation, you're also going to work on your psychology, because you're going to have a little skin in the game, right? You gotta have a little money in the game to feel that psychology, because you can paper trade on a demo account till you're blue in the face, but you're not gonna feel those emotions, you know. So that's what I would do. If I could do it over again, that's what I would do. I would not trade on a demo account, put $10,000 in the Trade Evade account, and then blow it up in a few weeks, like I did. That's I wouldn't do that. Oh, thanks, John Sharp. Yeah, it is lonely this time. So yeah, I'm having fun hanging out with you guys. We are looking for trades. We haven't been trading too well on stream, that's for sure. But if you want to see some good trading, you can check out my morning stream. And I pin my trades in the chat, so I make it easy for you guys. I put everything too, the bad trades and the good trades. So, oh, sorry, Kid Poker, man. Try to just make sure you have your stop losses in place, Kid Poker. I know everyone tells you that, but well, that's how you got that payout. But yeah, this time of night's tough to trade, guys. Let's take a look at gold. Get some nice trendiness with gold sometimes. If I could go live with a prop firm legend, like if they called me up to live, it'd probably be Top Step. If I could go live. I used to trade live with Top Step, actually. I used to actually have a live account with them. I've had two live accounts with them. I blew them both up, but I have had 2 live accounts with them. Yeah, you need a pretty good chunk of money. Your BM with me. With prop firms, it's a lot lower cost to get. It's a lot lower entry cost to get in, especially with futures. Futures is one of the cheapest entries to trading. Stocks, you gotta have a lot more money because of that pattern day trading rule. So it's a lot of brokers. You need like $25,000 or more to day trade with stocks. But with futures, yeah, no problem. So yeah, so your BM with me, just yeah. And there's lots of good traders in the community, in our community, in the chat. People with a lot of experience. So yeah. Welcome, by the way. Yeah, hot shot, yeah. Yeah, you don't want to do that, hot shot, for sure. My entry for prop firms was expensive because Top Step was almost $400 a pop. And so I didn't YOLO accounts like I do now. With an Apex account that's $30, I'll send that sucker during the open and hoping to pass it, to be honest with you, hot shot. And then, but back when I first got into futures with Top Step, they were, it was pricey. So I learned, I was working out my strat with more of an expensive prop firm. And I really took my time with those evaluations and like honed my strategy and stuff. And I'm definitely better off. I was better off that way, I'll actually show you guys. I've been with Top Step for a long time. And I took a big break. But yeah, they were $300. Yeah, $300. $99 resets. And I would reset a bunch of times, but But yeah, right there. I don't know if you guys can see with my camera. But yeah, that was my very first Top Step account right there. June 21st, 2021. And there were 2 steps. 150K. You had to get $18,000 to pass a 150K account. So $9,000 once, $9,000 again. And yeah, I would pass those accounts and they would put you in an actual live account. But yeah, they were expensive back then. Yeah, lots of screen time, John. Lots of screen time. And practice. It's like Tradeovate, you can have those demo accounts and you can get in the market replay. And you can, if you buy market replay, you can go back and practice on a day. So like on the weekends, like I've done this like on the weekends, like on Saturdays and Sundays, I would practice with Tradeovate. So college does cost a lot of money, Zabak, and I don't know how many people I worked with that at the post office that were college educated and that were working right next to me, and I'm just an idiot. I barely got through high school. I look at gold sometimes, Star, during the overnights. But yeah, I just pulled up the NASDAQ again. Hopefully this is my Take Profit Pro payout. Let me just get caught up in the chat here. Sorry. I get rambling. Alright, Kid Poker. See you later, man. Good luck. Hope you win some money playing poker. Alright, the Trader 205. Hey, what's happening? Good to see you. Oh, thanks, Trader 205. Thanks for the sub, too. Yeah, you know what, Zabak? I do gotta start watching yen. I need to do this on my own time, and I know you talk about it. Black Beauty Machine talks about it. But yeah, yen gets super trendy. So, in the overnights, and yeah, a lot of people talk about it, so. Oh, the live benefits? I know. I tweeted something about it. I said, well, maybe we'll get free buffet. But yeah, who knows what the benefits of the live will be. Because, I mean, if like Top Step calls me up to live or something, then of course I'll take it. But, where I have a personal account and stuff, I'm not super interested. I'm more interested in playing the prop game, trading multiple accounts, things like that, because that's the thing. It can be hard when you're playing the prop game. When you're trading just one account, it can be a little difficult. But when you're trying to take one account and then build it up, it's hard. When you're playing the prop game like I do, where you copy trade in groups or whatever, then you can kind of get multiple payouts coming in, like I did with Tradeify. 2 payouts 2 days in a row. I'll see. That's how fast Tradeify pays, guys. So we just requested here live on stream. It's already paid. Yeah, it's already in my Rise account, guys. So Tradeify has been on their game. Like, they're getting just as fast as My Funded Futures, which is nice. So there it is, $1,500. So 1,000 yesterday, $1,500 today. It's a good week's pay. We did reset some accounts today, so it's not all profit. I'll be the first to tell you guys that. And if you guys watch my little video from last month, I break it down, like how much I spent, how much I made, all that stuff. So, because so many streamers on YouTube will just put their payouts You know, this is what I made in payouts, you know, well. But yeah, we'll get rid of that. Back to the charts. I'm not really sure, Legend, if you can trade currency pairs on TPT. I just trade the NQ, CL, and YM, so. You were in the pit with with MP and John. John, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised about MP and Hogue. Hogue is a super nice guy. Like, I actually like Hogue, and he does give good advice. But yeah, for sure. Hey Dave, how's it going? Hey FOMO Dave. Yeah, for sure. Fade me. Fade me, Zabak. You want to buy some tiny homes? Yeah, and rent them out. Zabak, little Airbnbs and stuff. Really good money. I've actually been thinking about getting into some Airbnbs. I used to be a long-term landlord and I hated it. Exactly, Andreas. Yeah. You're not wrong. I'm just getting caught up in the chat, guys. Apologize. Hey, Joker Trades, what's happening? Good to see you in here. Oh, I didn't mean resets. It's just some evaluations and some. I actually haven't reset any take profit traders or anything lately. The one I'm currently trading was a reset, but we've currently gotten like $2,000 out of it, so it was a good reset. Oh, nice, Josh. Yeah, you passed that 50K expert. Awesome. Oh, I appreciate that, Tenderfoot. Yeah, I got nothing to hide. I mean, this is how I make a living, and it's not from YouTube yet. So, yeah, I got nothing to hide. It's like when I place a trade, guys, it's like I don't want it to be a losing trade. Like, this is my, I mean, this is an evaluation, but especially in the morning when I'm trading my funded accounts, like I'm trying to make money. That's how I make a living. So, but I appreciate that, me Tenderfoot. So right now, so prop firms, I'm in Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Apex, Top Step, Bulanox, Tradeify. Probably missing one. But yeah, I got a little prop empire going on. Trying anyway. I don't know about Thinkorswim. I just on E-Trade, it's just horrible. I mean, I can show you. I mean, you can look at it for 2 seconds and say, "Hey, this is a horrible platform to trade on." It's fine for executions, and that's all I do. So I'm looking at Tradeivate charts, executing on E-Trade. Thinkorswim is probably way better. Actually, do this. So yeah, so this is E-Trade. This is how I trade futures. Currently down $1,140 in the personal account. And I said that earlier that we started the year up 4,000 and then I went on tilt one day. Made $85 on it today, guys. But yeah, you can see the DOM and the movement, and it's super laggy, and it's just horrible. It's just horrible. But yeah. Hey Jamie, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. And if I missed you guys, the new subs, thank you. I really appreciate it. Oh, AP Adams? No, I didn't, Josh. 30 times? Wow, crazy. That's expensive, but the dude gets payouts, so I hope his ROI is good. Hey, Elena. Basically just prop firms, really. I started getting the confidence back with prop firms, and then, and then I was able to start trading my personal account with more confidence. So, yeah. I would say that my personal account is probably not fully green on the personal side. Like I don't think I'm fully profitable on my personal account after those $60,000 losses that I took. So, but we are just like now like once it clicks with the prop firms and stuff like Josh knows, a lot of you know, it's like you start getting those payouts and they start just coming in all the time. And it's like I haven't really had a month without a payout in a long time. There might have been a little bit of a break where Fast Track Trader owed me some money and I was supposed to get a payout and I didn't, and I had kind of all my eggs in one basket, which is why you see me with multiple prop firms now. I was basically just focusing on my 10 Fast Track trading accounts, and we all know how that happened. What happened to them? So, but yeah, that's crazy, Josh. AP Adams, yeah, that dude slings some accounts. He's probably gonna get banned. I hope not, but Stargaze is long. Oh, that's awesome, Stargazer. Now we just gotta get those watch hours in. But that's gonna come quick, especially on streams like that. Yeah, Josh, for sure. Holy cow. AP Adams was, yeah, that's crazy, Josh. Yeah, that dude slings some accounts. All right, I'm caught up on the chat now. I'm gonna watch the markets here. So Tradeify paid me out, but I'm still waiting on my. So Josh, I'm still waiting on my payout from this morning from Take Profit Trader. Kind of crazy. You got the NASDAQ sitting around the 880s here. Came right down to the VWAP. We talked about a VWAP bounce. Didn't take it. Talking too much. Stargaze is looking for 900. Yeah, I did, didn't it, Stargazer? So this turned out to be a nice short here. I know J Money was in this short. I should have took this Harami candle short. I'm not really seeing things clearly lately, especially in these markets. We ended up taking out yesterday's high. Took out the data wick high. And then pulled back. And it did present a nice short. Get 20 points or so. Feels like more than it is. If you put it in fives here, it feels bigger, but it's it's really not. I don't know what's going on, Josh. Yeah, I don't know why it's not being processed. I don't know. We could, Bray. I mean, we are super bullish still. We have this trend line, bit of a trend line going up, or channel-ish. I mean, super bullish. No reason to really look for shorts unless it's just a scalp right now. $15 is sitting right at the top of these ranges here. Peaked above it a little bit, starting to pull back. PPI tomorrow for news. Should be another pretty good day for volatility, which is what we like. We don't like sideways markets. We got Powell speaking again tomorrow? No. Okay, no. So just PPI, unemployment, 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. Friday, core retail sales, 8:30. Not really significant. Earnings. Let's take a look here. Not really seeing anything that moves the NASDAQ too much for earnings for tomorrow. But yeah. Right back testing that VWAP again. Some news tonight, John? I'm not sure. Hey, Brose, what's happening? Good to see you. Finally found that I most profitable between 8 and 11. Yeah, exactly, Brose. So you should definitely just, stick with those sessions. Oh, nice, man. Good work, Brose. Yeah, we had a nice day today as well. We did have some casualties, which I talked about earlier. Oh, some prop news coming March 1st, yeah. We know regulations are going to come, John. After fast track trading and then what, profit trade? I think it was profit trade. After they rug pulled everyone and went out of business. You knew something was coming. You knew the Alphabet gang was going to get involved. Oh, hot shot, yeah. Trading with Travis. Yeah, I love trading with Travis, man. He kind of influenced me to start streaming, really. I mean, because he was doing it with no camera, and I'm a super introverted, reserved guy, so I was just like, well, maybe I'll start doing a trading with Travis with no camera. And I, sure than shit, as soon as I buy a microphone, he comes on with a webcam, and I was like, Travis, come on. But yeah, I'm fine now. I don't mind it. I'm getting used to it. Oh, cool, Lena. Yeah, we all need some more discipline. I mean, I'm working on my discipline every single day. And I pretty much I think it's just lack of patience. And it's super hard, like, nowadays, like, in today's world, to be patient, right? Like, everyone has... My highest view videos are my YouTube shorts. So... It's like people don't have any patience. So it's like patience, like passing an evaluation, or patience waiting for that trade setup, or patience getting to that payout. Like, we all want to get to the payout in the shortest amount of time as possible, right? And I'm guilty of it. Are you waiting for a rebuild tomorrow, Vince? Yeah. Future scalper? Yeah, probably. I'm not sure who that is, but I'll have to check him out. Or buy, yeah, I was just gonna say Zavag, buy my money with the bear animation. Yeah, he was one of the first ones I found trading futures too. I think some of the YouTubers that I first found were Trading with Travis, Trades by Matt, Patrick Whelan, actually. Buy by Money was, I saw him way back too when I first got into futures. But Tom Hugard, and he's the one I kind of really studied as far as my trading guru. I don't really trade like him, but he's the one that I first found that I actually, you know, started listening to and trusted, I guess. That was this guy, Tom Hugard. So yeah, buy my money is chill. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's that dopamine, Stargazer, exactly. So the market just completely went, it almost looks like my trade of 8 is frozen. Another bounce off the VWAP. Could push up to the 900s. We got right to that stubborn 90s, the 98. You could really see that this morning on that push. So we got in some nice longs off the open. And it would get to like the 600s and it would get a little stubborn for a bit. And then it would go to the 700s and start to get a little stubborn, pull back. And you can see like right here on this candle, we went to 701 and immediately pulled back. So those giant psych levels, I call them like the stubborn 90s, just before you get to that, but those big levels. Oh, really, John? Yeah, for sure, yeah. So he sends them, Sherry, I love Zero Day. Yeah, he's my boy. He does make me laugh. He is funny. He's charged up all the time. Yeah, John. Yeah, Tom does. Yep. Yeah, I used to watch Tom a lot. There was a time before I was not profitable at all, and I was trying to figure things out, and I was trying to copy Tom on his Telegram, and it did not work out. You know, I was just desperate looking, you know, which a lot of new traders will do. They'll get desperate and they try to copy trade streamers and things like that, and that's just a big mistake. Yeah, Joker trades, yeah, for sure. I talked about that earlier, how I've been watching my streams, and that's why I ended up trading my bracket for tonight. Last night, and the same thing this morning, not this trade. But yeah, we got in a short here and it started to go our way. We went 6-7 points in the money, and then it came back and stopped us out. And last night when I was watching my stream, we are just rocketing higher, guys, right through the 900s. Just blasting through the highs here. But yeah, so anyways, when I was watching my stream last night, I noticed like I'd be in the winning trade, and you know, not a whole lot, but 6 to 8 points, and then it would come back against me, and I'd get stopped out because I was looking for 10 plus points. And so I adjusted this strat here, so I'm looking for 6 points for scalps or whatever for the Asian market. So anyways, yeah, so watching yourself on stream is actually really good. Almost break even, got in long at the previous high. Oh, yeah. Had to take a big L, Dave. Yeah, it sucks, man. We took an L today, too. Yeah, nice long trade. Stargazer, did you get in on that? Did you get in on that VWAP bounce on the 870s? Looking for 900? If you did, what a nice trade. Woodchip fades me every time. The dude's making the killing. I don't care, Woodchip. You guys can try to fade me in the morning. I challenge you. No, it's. I'm getting used to trading on stream. It is a bit difficult, but we're getting better. Oh, you're trailing now, Star? Nice trade. Who faded me, bro? Who faded me? I am gonna work on this over the weekend, guys. Trading these slow turtle markets. We're gonna figure something out. I might, even if I'm start trading gold, maybe still NASDAQ, or maybe some yen. Maybe some Japanese yen. Who knows? I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna figure this out. I got my strats in the New York session. I'm happy with how I'm trading. We've been trading pretty well. The slow market's definitely a trip. FSP is one of the reasons why Top Step is banning. What's FSP? What's FSP, Vince? Sorry, I don't know. Oh, wealth charts. Yeah, I looked at wealth charts on YouTube. Someone was using it, Zabak, and I was like, nah. Oh, the trader named FSP? Huh. Never heard of him. It's pretty much all of them. The trader, it depends on like how much you scalp. Are you like the future scalper? Yeah. It depends on like how much you scalp. Are you like a hyper scalper, or are you just looking for like 5-10 points? You know, if you're looking for a few ticks, then My Funded Futures supposedly has a rule against that. But besides that, pretty much you're fine with anyone else. 750 on my eval, got around 8. Oh, nice, Stargazer. Stargazer's been trading a while too, guys. So we have a lot of experience in the chat. He abuses evals, Vince? Huh. What do you mean? Does he just like have a bunch of evals ready to go while he's trading his YOLOing his funded accounts, his XFAs? Because prop firms are starting to catch on to that. My Funded Futures doesn't like that either. If you have a bunch of reserves with the props, and then you kind of like turn and burn the accounts. Yeah, Bray, exactly. So we're right at 21,900, just a rocket ship off the VWAP, pretty much. Rocket ship for Asian session, anyway. Kind of having a bit of a FOMO. I am not going to try a 9 test, and I'm probably going to regret it. Normally, guys, like in the New York session, I would probably look for a 9 test and try to go for a 10-point scalp. Actually been working pretty well. Hasn't been working so much in the slow markets. So. I've been trading since 2021 futures, Butch, and then stocks probably 15 years or so as far as swing trading, things like that. But Thanks for tuning in, Butch. Yeah, Vince, I get that. Yeah, yeah, they don't like that stuff. And see, is it against the rules? No, but it's probably gonna be against the rules. So, hey, Micah Trades, what's happening? Good to see you. Get up to 924 and it passes your eval. Nice. Good luck. Stop here at 905. Let's see. Might look for a little scalp here. See if we can get a little break here. Kind of going counter trend here. Just look for a little scalp, a little 6 points. It's just a little inside bar scalp. This is what it was doing to me yesterday too, guys. Immediately in the money, and then I was waiting for too much profits. It's not really a scalper's market, these turtle markets. So move and stop to break even. Just give me a little more. I should just be looking for 5 points. You got to be kidding me, guys. Maybe I should just tighten this strat up, this bracket to 5 points. I'll get back to the chat, guys. I'm just in this trade right now. Trying to take a little scalp. Oh, we were like 2 ticks from getting full take profit on that. Give me a break. I'm gonna get stopped out here for even. If this was in New York markets, I would 100% guarantee that this little scalp would have worked. I would 100% guaranteed it. I don't say that very often. Just as the volatility alone would have took to take profit. Well, I got to stop and break even, so let me go back to the chat before I get too far behind. Vince, he was 50 evals. Oh yeah, we talked about that. Micah Trades, what's up? Hey Jimmy, new trader, what's happening? I think you're new to the chat. Welcome. Thanks for the sub. If you might have been subbed for a while, but how's it going? He blows 3 to 5 accounts a day? I'm gonna have to check this guy out, man. I'm gonna subscribe to him right now. I've never heard of him. He hasn't been on my radar. What's his name again, guys? Futures Scalpers Pro? Futures Scalpers Pro? This guy right here? All right, I'll sub to him. I'll check out his stuff. I've never seen this guy. He's been under my radar. You know, I'm not gonna move my stop to break even. Sorry, this is bad trading, but I'm moving it back above that wick. We were like, what, 2 ticks from getting full take profit there? This might be a bad idea. Probably continue to go up, but just an eval, so. But yeah, that's crazy. Blows a couple counts a day. Yeah, he's wild, huh? Yeah, I'll check him out. Oh, appreciate that, Brian. Overcash. Appreciate that, man. So now we're going back up. I bet it can hit my 6 points on the stop out though. It won't take it on my take profit. Hey Vincent, thanks man, appreciate that. Oh, you working on a top step? Yeah, I love top step. I'm working on a top step eval too, 150k this time. Yeah, I want a little more wiggle room for the drawdown, so. Star, I was in a short and I missed my take profit by a tick. I was just looking for a scalp, like 2 ticks. So I was just looking for a little short with this little inside bar break, and yeah, I just missed it by 2 ticks. So in the New York session, guys, like if you guys, I tend to take a little bit longer trades. I don't just look for like 10 points and stuff. I have trades where I'm going for 30 points, 60 points, 130 points on the YM. I have some strats that I use. So yeah, if you want to check out some of my trading during the New York session, I pin them in the comments. So if you're new to the channel, if you want to check those out. Oh, I bet he does, Joker. Yeah, yeah. A lot of YouTubers make a lot of money from affiliates. I don't. Hopefully we make some money with some affiliates. I mean, but I currently I'm so limited where I can only have Bulanox, Tradeify, and Apex, because Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, none of those guys will work with me, and Top Step won't work with you either. But I'm still gonna tell you guys that I'm using them, because I mean, I use them every day. Sorry if I missed your guys' chat. Apologize. I did. I got kicked right to tick. The worst one is I made that video. If you guys go back a few videos ago, I think I made a short video. I got stopped out by the exact tick live on stream. The exact tick, and then it ran 150 points my way. So that was, oh, that almost put me on tilt. You kidding me? Really felt like I was gonna take profit again. Got a little equal lows here. Some equal lows here. Could get a little lucky and have those taken out. Be nice. Hey, thanks, John. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, Apex has extended their sale, guys. Hey, look at that. We got a winning trade. Who faded me? Who faded me? I can't do it like 0 Day Jay, so. Hey, I appreciate that, John. Look at that. Took our take profit and then now it's bouncing again, so that strat right there was just one of what I call my dumb strats. It's just a little break of the inside bar on the 5-minute chart. And I was just looking for a little scalp there. Normally on this trade during New York session, oops, I would target the bottom of this candle. So 885-ish. So, can you stop? So yeah, it'd be like 885. So like right there. It might actually work. We'll see. But yeah, normally that's what I would target. Yeah, John. So Nutty, I tweeted that short video, and I gave a shout out to Nutty. I said, yeah, I got shot in the tick on that trade. Hey, Alyssa, what's happening? Who faded me? Well, my name is Jay, so Jason, so, and I have been smoked by 0 Day options. So we have a lot in common. And we are from the Northeast, both of us. So, yeah. Yeah, Alyssa, yeah, we got a lot of 0 Days. The D-Gens, the DCA gang likes to hang out here too. Yeah, John, I play a little bit. I'm not that great, but I play cowboy chords. Yeah, it's not just for decoration, even though it looks pretty cool on the stream. But I play a little bit, but I'm not that good. I know that we have some actual musicians in the chat, so I'm not gonna say that I'm that great. But yeah, I got an electric guitar. I got a bass guitar. Oh yeah, Stargazer. Which state are you from, Stargazer? I mean, I'm from the way up northeast. I'm from the northeast, up here in Maine, so. Oh, you trade 0 Day options for SPX, Vince? You're wild. That could be. Oh, New Jersey? Yeah. Sweet. Awesome. Where's everyone from? If you guys want to say, where's everyone from in the chat? We have anyone from Maine? I know a couple streams ago we had some people in Maine. We got Buffalo here. You're way up in northern Canada. I have a lot of people from Canada that watch. Chicago, Oklahoma, Ohio, Washington, D.C. I like visiting Washington, D.C. I love visiting New York, too. New York City, I like going there. Long Beach, Cali. I wish I was there right now. Oklahoma, Ohio, yep. Upstate New York, yep. My good friend is from upstate New York. When you, I know you say upstate New York, tenderfoot, for a reason, because if you just say New York, they assume you're from the city. San Diego, oh, dude, you got the best weather. Best weather in the world in San Diego. J Money, he's a masshole from Massachusetts. Yeah. Your sister lives in Old Town, New York or Maine? Yeah, San Diego's. I'd love to visit. I want to visit California so bad. Oh, cool. Old Town, Maine. Yeah, yeah. Out by Bangor, Maine. Sweet. So guys, this was a really awesome hang. I'm not gonna stay on here all night, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna do this more. So, Olin, yeah, awesome. Dirty Bangor, yeah, yeah, yeah. The only reason why I go to Bangor is for concerts or the casino. This eval, not much. 872 bucks. It's on skating on thin ice. Are you born and raised in Massachusetts? Nice. So yeah, you're a New Englander. Oh yeah, the Vegas party. Yeah, I really want to go to Vegas too. I had a whole Vegas trip planned once, and I had to cancel due to some medical reasons. So yeah, so I really want to go to Vegas someday too. And so if 0 Day does do that DGen party, I'm definitely gonna probably make a big effort to go and meet some of you guys, some of you traders. Hopefully most of you are not a bunch of weirdos, but I'm just kidding. But yeah, no, it's awesome. Oakland, Los Angeles, Tennessee. Yeah, you guys are from all over. We don't have many international people. But yeah, guys, really awesome stream. I hate to end it here, but yeah. I think we're all weird. We're traders. We're day traders. I like to think we're rock stars, but... Alright, cool, Vince, man. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up there. If you guys are using Bulanox, Apex, use my code PINE. Really helps out the channel. Tradeify. Use my link. Use the default code. Take Profit Trader. Use Terry Trades 100. Right there in the chat. And, yeah. That's right, we turn fake money, we take fake sim money, turn it into real money. It goes straight to the bank account, which that Tradeify payout just went straight to my Rise account, which is gonna go straight into my checking account in about 10 minutes, as soon as I get off stream. So yeah. Alright guys, so have a good night. Made a few good trades on stream. Or not some not good trades on stream. We're gonna finish on a high note on that little scalp, so peace out guys. Thanks for tuning in. Smash the like button on your way out, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys later. Appreciate you guys. Peace.